and welcome back to Alcan Springs Product Highlight. Today, we're going over U-bolt flip kits. Why did customers need a U-bolt flip kit? Well, have you ever found yourself out on the trail and you need every inch of clearance you can get? Or have you ever been out on a trail and your U-bolts get dug through the rocks? Well, the U-bolt flip kit helps eliminate that problem. What function does a U-bolt flip kit have? U-bolt flip kits change the orientation of the U-bolt. So rather than sitting over your spring like this, they mount up from the bottom like this. They mount up through the bottom of the U-bolt plate and keep the tips of your U-bolts above all of your obstacles. This offers a maximized clearance between your axle and the ground. It also changes the way the U-bolts are attached to the spring, which can increase articulation. How do we at Alcan Spring build our U-bolt flip kits? Our U-bolt flip kits are cut out using our plasma table, inspected by our lead technician. We send them off to get powder coated, and they come back and get hand assembled by our team here at Alcan Spring. So what are some other benefits of the U-bolt flip kit? The U-bolt flip kit is easy to install and allows for easy maintenance of the U-bolts. Furthermore, our U-bolt flip kits come with a bump stop, which increases your ride quality when you're out on the trail. Thanks.